Today we delve into the world of skilled welders and the pivotal role they play in industries like construction, manufacturing, automotive, aerospace, and more. Our skilled welders are the backbone of innovation and structural integrity. Let's take a closer look at what they bring to the table. Welding techniques. Our Pro-Fab welders are proficient in a variety of techniques. From MIG to TIG and beyond, they carefully select the right method for each project, ensuring precision and strength. Material knowledge. They possess a profound understanding of metals and alloys, their properties, melting points, and compatibility. This knowledge guides their choices for the perfect weld. Blueprint reading. Precision begins with comprehension. Our welders interpret blueprints and engineering drawings with accuracy, ensuring that every weld aligns perfectly with the project's specifications. Safety. Safety is paramount. Our experts don helmets, gloves, and aprons while also ensuring proper ventilation and fire prevention measures. Equipment setup. Pro-Fab welders meticulously configure welding equipment, choosing the correct electrode, adjusting voltage and current settings, and ensuring equipment reliability. Welding inspection. Quality matters. Our skilled welders frequently inspect their work, utilizing various methods such as visual checks, dye penetrant tests, and even X-ray examination. Repair work. They're not just builders, they're problem solvers. When structures or equipment need fixing, our welders cut out damaged sections and seamlessly weld in new pieces. Welding automation. In industries where precision and efficiency are paramount, our experts work with automated equipment like robotic welders, ensuring top-tier results. Certifications. Our Pro-Fab welders proudly hold certifications, demonstrating their mastery of specific welding processes and materials, an absolute necessity in industries with high-quality standards. Continuous learning. The world of welding evolves, and our experts stay ahead by participating in training and certification programs, always ready to embrace new techniques and materials. Problem solving. A critical skill, they troubleshoot issues, adapt to challenging conditions, and find solutions, guaranteeing the integrity and quality of every weld. Quality assurance. At Pro-Fab, quality is our pledge. Our welders ensure the structural integrity and top-notch quality of their welds, adhering to industry-specific standards and regulations.